one about the mining tax regime bill. Do you see any contentious provisions about the bill?
We're in the process, nag-start na tayong interpellation, no? Siguro yung ano na lang doon, maraming ano dito yung sa mining fiscal regime, marami tayong in-introduce na mga provisions that will make sure that we will be able to get the revenues, no? Lalo na yung windfall, no? Meron tayong windfall tax dyan na kung maganda yung kita, dapat mas malaki rin yung makukuha sa government, no? Tapos yung ring fencing na hindi na nila pwedeng halimbawa iba-iba yung corporation or company, merong losing, merong kumikita. Minsan, bawal na yun. Dapat each entity should be treated as individual. Hindi na pwede pagsama-samahin para may pababa nila yung profit, no? So, these are the provisions that we have added to make sure that we will be able to get what the government should be able to get more revenues, no, from the mining industry with the introduction of this new measure.